always a proverb or a saying to match whatever emotion or situation there is. Now, these proverbs or sayings are influenced by our multicultural ancestry, namely that of the African and English ancestry. And of course, it's not just the saying or the proverb, it's how you say it too. I come here to drink milk, I don't come here to count cow. Of course, the English would say, I've come to drink milk, not count cows. In other words, conduct your business in a straightforward manner. Mind your own business. Establish your boundaries. Because guess what? You come here to drink milk, you don't come here to count cow. You hear me? There is so much truth and wisdom in our good old Jamaican proverbs. So we need to claim our heritage, know our culture, get to know we Jamaican proverb them, and use them when we really need